With more and more businesses looking to host their fast-growing digital information, the increased demand for data centers calls for a thorough exploration of the latest technology and options available.
So from the panel discussion, I really hope that people understand data center cooling and I suppose the new trends that we're seeing in terms of the capacities of data center racks, and those are increasing, and the different ways we deal with heat neutralization and the way that we do the modern data center. So there's ways that we've always laid out data centers traditionally, but there's a whole load of new ways that are much more efficient. So I'm hoping that people come away with some new ideas on how we lay out data centers.
And my intervention in this speech and this panel discussion would be about looking into the foundation of the cloud infrastructure, which is the network. So in this case, you see that most of the challenges today are related to the network itself. Whatever it is to interconnect a private infrastructure or premises to a public infrastructure in the data center. When you do that, you have virtualization in play, you have a lot of challenges to address, and one of my talk is to make the people aware that we have some solution that address that perfectly.
ITWeb's Data Center Summit, held on 20 July at the Forum in Bryanston, provided delegates with a comprehensive view on strategies employed by South African data center service providers to mitigate risk and differentiate themselves from the competition.
You cannot simplify an environment by adding more tools or adding more complexity, right? You have to remove it. In fact, I think it was Leonardo da Vinci that said simplicity comes through by removing of excess that's not needed.
Managing these ever-expanding environments are becoming more and more complex. When you simplify the infrastructure, you essentially simplify the management.
Data centers today are highly virtualized, if not completely virtualized, and they're like cloud-like environments. Now, what's most important to customers is managing applications and the services those applications are delivering within those virtual machines, and restore service levels back to business as quickly as possible.
One of the benefits of Nutanix is that you can manage your compute, your storage, your virtualization from a single pane of glass. This is one of the big plus points of a Nutanix solution and what our customers really like about what Nutanix do today.
Developed to brief all parties in the organization with a vested interest in data centers, the event analyzed the trends and challenges that impact the field of data center management today.
Every time I come to one of these talks, people always ask me, so what are they going to learn about data centers in Africa today? I'm not the one that wants to punt any of the technologies. There's a lot of vendors here today and a lot of sessions and a lot of stalls around the newest technology, the newest compression technology, networking technologies, a lot of hardware infrastructure. For me, it is what's the soft issues, the actual on-the-ground issues, and I try to teach and just share the knowledge of what I've done in the past 4 years in most of my about 90 trips that I've been into Africa. What did I learn, and how can I help you when you go into country the next time? How to address a procurement committee in terms of pitching a solution to them? What is the underlying politics that you need to deal with?
So I think the one thing that's important for everyone is somewhere out there is your digital twin. Somebody out there is busy building a business very similar to yours, using new tech, etc. And these kind of forums hopefully give you the insights as to how you could possibly get there as well. We're not all born in the cloud, and obviously there's all sorts of ways you can leverage all these technologies, etc.